Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Steam, how to enable Steam Guard. Click Steam. Click Settings. Click Account. Click Manage Steam Guard Account Security. Check Get Steam Guard codes by email. Relogin your account. Click Next. Copy Steam Guard code from Stram Mail. Paste Steam code. Click Next. Click Finish. Click Steam Settings. Steam Guard is successfully enabled. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.